Okay, so I'm here just to quickly pick up my friend Hans. We're going to meet him now, so let's go get him. Hello? Takes so long. Hans. So,
what's this berg gesê hè?
I don't know, Signal Hill.
This is Signal
Is
Hill.
it? Wow, I didn't drive anything. Wow, what's going on? I didn't do anything right.
Okay, something is going crazy. You need to wait here.
Can I go?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So we're going into Bantry Bay now. Oh, people in the road.
Nice.
Lots of people in the road. Okay. Oh.
This is Hooked Bay campsite down here, but we're going to enter Bantry Bay.
Bantry Bay. This is where all the rich people live. Us others living in South Africa.
Oh, look at this. So misty. Why didn't you go up? Oh, here's a parking. Here we go.
Yeah, let me take that in one. It's a video, not photos. Oh, you drank all the water, wow! Some of it. Why did you finish all my water? That's a douche, man. So that's what someone looks like that doesn't want to play with me. Oh, look. Kick! Kick! Seriously? I think he's being a bit of a spoiled sport here. Why are you still carrying that bottle? There's nothing in it. You drank it all. Huh? Anyway, well, I'm going to swim in the sea in the middle of winter at like 2 o'clock in August. Wish me luck. I might actually not survive this. I'm seriously going to do this. Oh no, this is cold. This is flippin' cold. Oh, I didn't have other clothes yet as well. And it's infamous for sharks. There's many sharks here. And there's no lifesavers. So, yeah, let's do this. Oh shit. What is this? I don't know if you can see this. What the freak is that? Touched me. Okay, I'm gonna go down. So cold. I'm out of here. That was extremely not recommendable. Ah, it's mine.
Yeah, but it's just set.
Is
Is it
it?
the same one?
The guy made a mistake.
Oh, that's fine.
But is it strong? Ah, it tastes really good though, so it's fine. Thank you, John.
Yeah.
Thanks. Okay, so I didn't get the one I wanted, but check, that's cool. Cheers. So we're in Camp Spy now. Hey?
Yes.
We got ourselves some sandwiches from Vida Cafe. And yeah, we're gonna chow now and walk a bit.
So busy here today.
Yeah.
Clifton is nothing going on.
Yeah. Oh, down that way. You see like a view of Camps Bay. Good. I was only burping on the camera. We're back. Yeah. So we're on our way back to Stellenbosch. We are finished now in Cape Town for the day, and we got a bride tonight that we have to get to. So cool.